Hi, I'm Kavita. I'm taking care of four-wheeler category. If you see my last year base from April to July was 12.38 crores, wherein my target which has been assigned to me was 14.23 crores and the achievement till date is 14.01 crore. This is a month-wise segregations. When you see in the month of April, we were not been able to achieve the targets, but rest of the 3 months we have overachieved the targets. The main reason behind not achieving the targets in the month of April was last year there was a Honda Amaze launch worth 65 lakh rupees, and this year Honda has not active on print for the first quarter. Second main reason was GM regional and corporate. Last year the contribution for GM from GM regional and corporate was 60 lakh rupees. This year, due to rate issues, we were not been able to carry GM in the month of April. But from the month of May, we have cracked an annual deal of 7 crores. So I think this financial year is going to be better than the last year. This is my category-wise performance. If we see last year, the category of four-wheeler has performed 47% of my total targets. Rest has been taken care by IT and the cellular operators. If we compare from April to July, we can see the growth of 8% on the four-wheeler performance. IT is little slow, and cellular operators will start performing from the next quarter because of the license renewal. This is the targets which I am looking forward in the month of August and September, both put together including my shortfall comes around 9.28 crores. 50% of my targets will be from my vanilla ads, which will be on a regular basis. Apart from that, what will be my agenda or my way forward to achieve the rest of the 50%? First, focus will be optimizing the new launch. If you talk about my client, Hyundai is coming up with a i20 facelift, which is again a relaunch of the product. We are looking forward to gain maximum business out of it. Second will be BlackBerry formal shoe launch. Third is Intex LCD launch and the cheapest smartphone launch from Intex. And fourth will be from Toshiba. From its laptop series launch will be a detachable screen. So we are focusing more on the new launch to gain maximum revenue out of it. Second will be on a specific category growth. If we talk about categories, we have developed certain categories like premium auto categories. We have included Zenica cars, we have included BMW, we have included AMP Motors. So we are looking forward to develop it further. Second category will be .com category. We have OLX on board. We are trying to crack Yapme. We are trying to crack other digital clients, .com clients. The third will be B2B and appointments and tour and travel. These are the specific categories which has been assigned to us, and we are trying to increase the revenue out of it. The third points where we will be looking forward to focus more is about from the new clients. We have developed a good number of new clients from which we have generated 633 lakhs of business. And the third is to encash Shraddh offer, which is starting from in the month of September. This is an offer where we are providing same space in a better value. So we will look forward to pitch each and every client which has been assigned to us. And the third and the last one will be to include all the verticals in our deal. These are the new clients we have generated since last 4 months, and the revenue which we have got from this new client is 63 lakhs rupees. The major contributor was Ingram Micro, which was who is a dealer and the distributor of iPhone. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.